Let's open online Python compiler, remove the text and start writing with a comment. Hashtag program to input unique elements in an array. So let's start writing the program. A is equals to square brackets 10. Square brackets, that means we are declaring an array. Now I is equals to 0, another variable. Now while loop, while I is less than 9, colon, x is equals to, writing the input statement, int bracket input, enter a number, another variable, flag, which will be equal to 0, using the for loop for j in range bracket 0, I plus 1. Plus 1 because Python always takes the lower bound, colon, if a condition statement bracket a square brackets j double equals to, we are checking x, flag is equals to flag plus 1. A break. Break means we are ending a program in Python. It's a keyword. In for loops indentation, condition statement if bracket flag double equals to 0, colon, a dot append bracket x. It's a function to add an element in an array. And I is equals to I plus 1. Else, colon, print, bracket. Let's put this in double inverted commas. Duplicate, comma, input rejected. So if any duplicate number is input, then this will be printed. Now print bracket a. Let's try running it. So let's enter 1, then 2, again 1. So it will print duplicate input rejected. Like this, the program will take 10 unique number. And every time you input a duplicate number, duplicate input rejected will be printed. And when 10 unique numbers are input, then they will be printed.